If you want to make money without a job, pay attention, this video is for you. Many people stay stuck because they don't know where to start. I'm going to teach you how to use AI and other ways to build an online income without having a job step by step. Make sure you watch this until the end because you can start using this today. So before we get started, can I ask one small favour? If you like what I do here, can you please hit the subscribe button? That keeps me energized to bring you more content. Thank you very much. Let's get into it. Let's begin with number one, which is to use AI to offer short form video editing services for creators and businesses. If you want to make some money without having a job, offering short form video editing using AI tools is now one of the most practical ways for you to get started. If you are noticing platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels and even YouTube Shorts, many creators are posting daily and they actually need some extra help editing their videos very quickly. So that's where you can step in and help them. So let me tell you that a lot of creators today don't want to spend hours or all day editing their videos, so they can actually outsource it to people like you to help them do it. So if you want to get started, just choose one platform at first to get started with, like TikTok, and focus only on editing short videos. Now, if you can use CapCut, which is a free video editing tool because it's free, very beginner friendly and easy to use, and it's very widely used as well. So let's now talk about starting with just some simple editing tips, like cutting clips or just adding captions and even inserting some background music as well. Now, if you actually stay focused on just basic editing first, you can just start offering this kind of service very quickly without needing any skills or any advanced technical experience. If you struggle with learning the editing, you can use AI tools to actually simplify the process for you and actually speed things up. If you want fast captions, CapCut actually has an auto caption feature built in the app that lets you generate subtitles very quickly and instantly. So let me walk you through it. By just importing a video and clicking on the auto captions feature in CapCut and then just adjusting the text style, this will give you some captions for your video. Now, if you actually have longer clips, you can use tools like Opus Clip or even video.ai or even QSO, that's QUSO, to actually automatically turn them into short viral clips. So these are all AI tools that you can use to create short clips from. Now, if you can use Canva to create simple overlays or even titles for videos. So another thing that you can do is save templates in CapCut. So you can actually reuse the same style for multiple clients. Now, if you learn these tools step by step, you can complete projects much faster and take on more work as well. So if you want to find some clients, just go where content creators are already active and looking for some help. If you are using TikTok or Instagram, just search for small creators who actually post consistently, but have basic editing. So let me tell you that many of these creators are the best people to message because they need help growing their business. So you can step in and help them and earn an income doing it. Now, if you actually can, just send a short DM message offering to edit one free sample video for them. So another step that you should take is by using platforms like Fiverr and Upwork.com. These are some good freelancing websites to create a simple service listing that you can do this for free. So you can actually create a free account and you could create a free listing with something like this. I will edit viral TikTok or YouTube shorts with captions. So that's an example that you could use. Now, if you think you won't stand out, just focus on showing before and after examples of your edits so people can see quickly how you can actually help them. Now, if you provide really good value up front, you actually increase your chances of getting paid work as well. So if you struggle with what to actually offer, just keep your service clear and outcome or results focused. If you want a simple package, just offer something like 5 short form videos with captions and music. So let me walk you through it by creating a checklist. You can just start by trimming clips, adding captions, adding good emojis, including some good engaging background music, and then just export into vertical format. Now, if you want to study those viral videos and copy the kind of style of the captions, the pacing and the hooks, because this is going to really help you create engaging content. So let's talk about improving results by keeping videos fast-paced and highly engaging. If you deliver content that helps creators actually get more views, they are more likely to actually hire you again. Now, if you focus on results instead of just editing, your value will actually increase. So if you want to work faster and smarter, you want to build a simple system that you can repeat every few days. If you are editing multiple videos, you want to batch your work by editing 3 to 5 videos in just one session. So let me tell you that by using templates in CapCut will save you hours of time. Now, if you can, you want to organize your files using Google Drive so you can easily access client content very quickly. So another thing that you can do is to actually create a simple workflow. So you can download the clips, you can edit, you can add engaging captions, export, and then just hit send. Now, if you follow the same steps every time, you actually reduce mistakes and improve your speed. Now, if you build a simple system, you can actually handle more clients without feeling overwhelmed. So if you are not getting any clients, you want to fix the common problems that stop a lot of beginners from making some money. If you don't get responses, your message might be too generic. So make it more personal and more specific, and try and include some before and after examples or some demos as well. So let me tell you that by showing a quick sample edit often works a lot better than just explaining what service you actually offer. Now, if you struggle with the pricing, just start with a very low price to get your first few clients and get some reviews. So another step that you can actually take is by improving your portfolio by adding your best edits. If you think competition is a bit too high, just focus on a niche like fitness, business, or even motivation. If you position yourself very clearly from the very start, clients can find you more easily as well. Now, if you are ready to turn this into a consistent income, just focus on improving the quality and building long-term clients. If you want some stability, just offer monthly packages where you actually edit content regularly for creators. So let me walk you through it by offering something like, you could offer say 20 to 30 videos per month. And if you can, you want to communicate very clearly and deliver on time or even quicker, because reliability really does count. So let's now talk about reinvesting some of your earnings into better tools like CapCut Pro, or even just upgrading your setup. If you stay consistent and improve your skills as you go, and just focus on helping those clients grow, help them get them more views, and helping them generate more leads and sales for their business, this can become a very, very reliable way to make money without needing a job. Let's now move on to number 2, which is to use AI to build and sell simple niche websites that earn from ads and affiliate links. Now, if you want to make some money without having a job, building simple niche websites using AI is a practical way to create some long-term income. If you think websites are complicated, then think again. Modern tools have made this much easier for people just like you to get started. So let me tell you that people are searching on Google every single day for answers to their problems, and the websites that provide those answers can actually earn money. Now, if you want to get started with this business model, you want to choose a specific niche that has profit potential, where people are looking for solutions to their problems. You want to find a niche that has profit potential, where people are spending a lot of money. So you need to find an existing demand. So a good niche could be something like budgeting travel. It could be home and exercise workouts, or even something like pet care tips. Now, you can actually use tools like Google Trends that will show you the search interest over time for any given keyword or topic. You can also use Ubersuggest and Answer the Public. And this is going to tell you what people are actually searching for and asking on Google in any given niche. So you want to find a niche that has profit potential, where people are looking for solutions to their problems. So you need to find an existing demand before you get started. So let's now talk about focusing on one clear niche instead of covering lots of different niches. Now, if you actually target a specific audience with a specific problem, your chances of getting some traffic actually increase. Now, if you struggle with setting up a website, you can use beginner-friendly platforms that actually simplify the process for you. If you want a quick setup, you can use WordPress.com or even Wix or even Squarespace to actually create a basic website without any coding. So let me walk you through it. Once you've actually signed up, you can just use a simple template, and there are lots of them to choose from. And then just customize your template, your site name, and your layout. Now, if you have a smaller budget, buying a domain name from Namecheap or even GoDaddy makes your website look more professional. Now, if you can install a simple theme and just keep your design clean and easy to read. So another step that you can actually take is by creating some key pages on your niche website, like a homepage, a blog, and an about page. And if your website is clear and easy to navigate, then website visitors are more likely to stay as well. And you want to try and include a video on your homepage and your about page to tell people what your niche website is all about and what you actually do. So if you want to create some content very quickly, you can use AI tools to write helpful articles that answer real questions. So you can use tools like Answer the Public and Ubersuggest to find the questions that people are asking about in your niche. Then you can create really helpful SEO optimized articles that actually solve those problems for those people for your own blog on your website. That will help you to get some organic traffic. Now, if you are using ChatGPT, you can actually ask it to generate blog post ideas based on your niche as well. So let me tell you that a good structure for a blog post actually includes a clear title, which promises some value, some good headings, and useful information that the reader can use to actually take action straight away to solve a problem or clear a pain point or get a specific result. So if you can just use a simple prompt like the following: write a beginner friendly guide on saving money while traveling. So there's a simple prompt that you can use. Now, if you want to improve the quality, just edit the content and add your own examples or your research as well. So you want to add your own elements into the AI content as well. So it's AI and human insight. So another thing that you can actually do is use Grammarly to actually check the grammar and the readability as well. If your content is helpful and clear and actually helps people solve a problem, people are more likely to trust your website as well. So if you struggle with getting some traffic, focus on basic SEO so your content can be found easily on Google. If you want a simple method, you can use Ubersuggest or even Ahrefs free tools to find keywords that people are searching for on Google to get that traffic. So let me walk you through it by choosing a keyword like cheap traveling trip tips and including it naturally into your article. But the key is to find longer tail keywords. So something like how to travel for free or how to travel. If you're in the traveling niche, you could use a keyword like how to travel to Europe on a low budget. So try and find long tail keywords because these are normally easier to rank for to actually get that organic traffic to your website. Now, if you can, just write titles that match what people are already searching for as well. This is going to be good for SEO. So another step that you can take is by writing multiple articles around related topics. If you consistently publish very useful content that solves a problem or helps people get a certain result, your chances of ranking on Google actually increase over time. So if you want to make money from your website, there are a few simple methods that you can start with. If you actually have traffic, you can apply for Google AdSense to earn money from ads on your website. So let me tell you that you can also use affiliate marketing by promoting products from Amazon Associates or other affiliate programs like ClickBank, Impact, Digistore24, or even Share a Sale. So if you can include some helpful product recommendations in your articles with your affiliate links. Now just make sure your affiliate links, and there's not too many of them. You don't want to spam your content. You just want to gently recommend your affiliate links in your content. So let's talk about combining ads and affiliate links to create multiple income streams. If you focus on helping your readers first, monetization will actually become easier for you. Now, if you are not seeing the results that you want, you need to fix the common problems that slow people down. If you don't get a lot of traffic, your content may not match what people are actually searching for on Google. So you may need to adjust your topics. You need to do some keyword research here. So let me tell you that by just copying successful article structures can actually help improve your content as well. Now, if you struggle with the consistency, just set a goal to publish 1 or 2 articles of high quality per week. So another thing that you can do is actually update old blog posts to improve their quality. If you avoid giving low value or generic content, your website will actually perform better as well. Now, if you are ready to grow this into a steady income, you want to focus on scaling your content and just improving your strategy. If you want faster growth, create more articles that are SEO based, targeting different keywords in your niche, but you want to stay in your niche. So let me walk you through it by tracking your traffic using Google Analytics. So Google Analytics will actually show you what's happening on your website to see what works and what doesn't. Now, if you actually can, just reinvest some time into learning better SEO and content strategies. So another step that you can take is just expanding into related niches once your site is starting to grow and get some traffic. If you stay consistent and keep improving and keep producing articles and content that helps people that solves a problem for the reader, and just keep improving your content over time, this can become a reliable way to make money without needing a traditional job. Wow, that's it for this one. Now, if you're serious about building your online business and creating new income streams, take the next step now. Click the link below in the description or in the top pinned comment, where you can find some free guides and free resources to help you get started right away with starting an online business and creating new income streams. These free resources will teach you step by step how to create a successful online business and help you to create new online income streams. So I know these will be very helpful for you as well. So don't wait, take action today. You can go and click the link below in the description and start your journey right now. And thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for new videos. It really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And if you want to connect on social, you can find me on LinkedIn and Instagram. The links are in the description below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.